Hello and welcome to Solar Power International here in Las Vegas. Well, the US market has truly matured in many ways in 2016, and there is also a domestic manufacturing base which attracts a wide array of suppliers. One of those suppliers is Italy's Coveme, a backsheet supplier, but not only to the US market, of course. I'm joined by Michele Vannini. He's a business development manager with Coveme. Michele, thanks for joining me. First of all, I want to talk about 1500 volts. The US market is often described as being one of the key markets for 1500 volts. In terms of supplying that market as a material supplier, what's Coveme doing?
1500 volt is key for us. 1500 volt is key for the North American market, for the utilities. Coveme has been working on the 1500 volt for many years. We've been successfully introducing several versions of the 1500 volt backsheet. We've been supplying to the market consistently in the past years, and we're now introducing our most advanced 1500 volt backsheet, specifically designed to be compliant with the new IEC regulation. And we have many new customers testing and validating the products. So we are very happy for the 1500 volt in North America, and also for a customer outside North America that are willing to install the 1500 modules here in North America. So for us, it's key for the future. We expect that in 2017 we'll be ramping up consistently, and maybe we'll even end up being more important than the standard 1000 volt backsheet. That has been our bread and butter product for the last 10 years.
And in terms of the 1500 volt product, it not only comes in with the standard white, I understand you're also looking at the bifacial market.
Yes, correct. Standard product, white is very important. We can also talk about the white with the higher reflectivity, also for the 1500 volt. However, it's also very important the 1500 volt clear backsheet. Very sophisticated, new to the market, and it's gonna be very important for the bifacial application. Lots of improvement, and not many in the market have a product like this. So the 1500 clear is something that we are really excited about.
When people tend to think bifacial, they think glass. What's the advantage of going with a backsheet?
Good question, And so weight is important. Obviously, cost is important. Still, the module, the glass module, are more expensive than the standard construction with glass and backsheet. Also, from a manufacturing point of view, there are customers that are not able to switch easily from a glass backsheet structure to a glass structure. So I think there are a number of benefits, and we think also that the glass will be there in the future, but as a niche market more than mainstream product. So we see a lot of benefit for the 1500 volt in both versions, standard and transparent.
And 1500 volt with increased reflectivity. Why is that important?
We've been focusing a lot on to increase the reflectivity of our backsheet, because that's the only way we can provide a backsheet that is increasing the efficiency of the panel, so you basically harvest more energy. And we've been doing this in a number of different ways. We also had some fancy ideas, but the best idea is to have a super reflective primer and a backsheet that is very white, reflects all the lights back. So we've been able to achieve it, and we had great results. Here in North America, we had customer testing our product, achieving more than 2 watts per panel, more just changing the backsheet to the super highly reflective backsheet. And the same can be applied on the 1000 volt to the 1500 volt.
And does it add significantly to the cost?
No, we can say that basically we are able to provide with the same cost structure.
Well, you mentioned US manufacturers. What do you take of the market here in terms of manufacturing? It's not really at huge scale, but the manufacturers that are participating in the market and making made in the US modules, they do tend to be sticking around. They are doing healthy business.
Yeah, I mean, it's tough for everybody right now, and we have a very good customer here in North America. We are very proud to be supplying them. They are very loyal. Of course, we do everything we can to supply always the best pricing and new products to be able to satisfy the demand. Life is difficult right now, as you know, because the competition is really setting new standards. But the North American market, I think, as an advantage, is more related to new products, R&D. If you have strong R&D, you have new ideas, a new product, you are more successful here. It's not only commodity driven, even if the pricing is super important.
Well, and it's been one of the major stories here at the SPI, the price declines that are being seen. But so you do play a role in North America. What about Coveme on a global basis? What really are the key markets that you're operating in?
So for us right now, Asia is extremely important. Our plant in China has been instrumental to achieve the results we are benefit right now to be probably the only Western backsheet manufacturer in a healthy condition. Asia is important, China is very important. India, we are among the top two suppliers. In Europe, we are still leader, even if the manufacturing base is not impressive anymore. In North America, we are a serious contender with the premium customers. So I think overall, Coveme position is pretty solid. We want to grow more. We have planned to grow more, to introduce a new product, or keep introducing new products, and we think the R&D, so the continuous development on the product is key to be able to offset this market condition. So the consistent pricing pressure can only be fought with R&D, with development. That's the only way we think we can do it.
Okay, technology forward. Michele Vannini, thank you so much for your time from Coveme here at Solar Power International 2016 in Las Vegas.
Thank you.